branches. Riding for Geico. We need to get you a Geico sticker.
I did some, yes!
Okay, now go ahead and ease one down.
Okay.
Keep one foot right over here. Okay. Get your hand in. Get your hand in. Get up on them. Scoot up on your rope. You need to sit up here. Sit up now. Lean back. Okay, here we go. Outside. Now squeeze with your feet. Hold with your feet. Hold with your feet.
Yahoo! Get his tail.
Spin. You need to hold with your